In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys another shapewear bodysuit from Shapeout X. In the last video, I received a lot of questions asking me about the features. So this time, I'm going to talk you guys through it, and hopefully by the end of this video, I'll have answered all your questions. So in comparison to the last shapewear, this one has a lot more coverage. So in this one, we have straps. It also has a high back. I know there was some concerns about like back fat, back rolls. You don't want your back fat to be pushed up with the other bodysuit. So this one actually covers your entire back. The other shapewear had more of a butt lifter. This one is just soft material. It has the same functions for the legs. So inside the legs, they have silicone, and this stops the shapewear from rolling. Also, I got my shapewear in a size 3X. So in order to understand what size you are, I would just measure from the biggest part of your body. The biggest part of my body is my hips, so I made sure that the shapewear covered that. I forgot to mention, there's a lot of questions about how do you use the bathroom, and here there is a zip, and the zip goes all the way from the front to the back. There's a really big gap, so you don't have to worry about trying to take this off or going to the bathroom, because that would be a nightmare. But yeah, I'm gonna put this on for you guys, and I'm gonna prove to you that the shapewear doesn't roll down, the legs don't roll up, and I'm gonna show you guys how it snatches my waist. So this is before. Okay, so before I put the shapewear fully on, I wanted to show you guys the clasp. So it's quite similar to the other one. It has the hook eye, but the only difference is this one also has a zip. So like this. And then, okay, just gonna zip this up as well. This is the front. This is the back. Just showing you guys the silicone. Like, this doesn't move. Look. Does not move. I'm gonna walk back. I'm gonna walk forward. I'm gonna do a little march. Literally doesn't move. In the last video, I know you guys wanted to see how it looks sitting down, so we're gonna do that as well. All right, I've got my trusty stool. It does not roll down. It's actually comfortable. I think when you have too much of the metal boning, it can kind of like stick in your stomach, but this one is quite smooth. So yeah, that's the sitting down test. We've done the marching test, and now it's time to do the seamless test. This is the dress that I was wearing earlier. Just gonna put it back on. Yeah, this is really good. Obviously the straps are gonna show it because the dress straps are quite thin, but in terms of the actual shapewear, you cannot see it. And look, this dress is actually baggy now. It was not like that before. So yeah, it really snatched my waist. Let me even, like, I mean, come on. And this is the back. And the other side. That is actually really crazy, the way it just put me down like 2 dress sizes. I hope I answered all your questions. If you guys have any more questions about the shapewear, either the previous video or this one, then leave it in the comments. The shapewear link will be in my bio. And yeah, I will see you in the next video. Bye.